Alright, everybody. This might suck, or this might go well. This is an old word search I found. And you know, I hate word search. So, oh, that's my dryer in the background. I'm gonna wet it in the sink. And I'm gonna see what happens if I flush it down the toilet. Hopefully everything goes well. I'm wetting it in the sink because, you know, it will make it go down the sink. It will make it go down the toilet easier. Oh, that's gross. Okay, now it's wet. So it's like toilet paper. And you know, like when you wet paper, it shrinks. So I'm gonna take it. And I'm gonna flush it. Ready? Oh. It flushed. Okay, that was it. Now I'm gonna wash my hands after that. Awesome!